This is worksheet 8.5 from the lesson A Birthday Letter 5th class, grammar part, page number 135. First Roman is fill in the blanks choosing appropriate adverbs of frequency provided in the brackets. సరైన adverbs of frequency లను ఎంచి ఖాళీలలో పూరించండి. Adverbs means which supports or which highlights the verb is called adverb. Adverb అనేది వెర్బ్ని ప్రమోట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో వెర్బ్కి అటాచ్ అయి ఉంటుంది adverb. First one is I dash eat junk food because I know that it's not healthy. For this, I never eat junk food because I know that it's not healthy. I never. What is the adverb we have to use here? Never. Why? Because he know how the junk food harms. That's why he never eat junk food. I am never late for school. I am dash on time. He never late for school. That means he always go to school on time. So always. Here the adverb is always. We have to write here. I went to a restaurant last week, but I dash eat at home. He went to a restaurant last week, but I dash eat at home. Weekly he went to a restaurant, so he always eat at home. The adverb is always here. Next, fourth one is I dash watch serials because I hate them. Cartoon shows are much better. Here clearly we can write never. Why? Because he didn't like watching serials. That's why never. The adverb never comes here. He never watch serials because he hates serials. So never. The negative. We go to gym for exercises dash maybe 3 days in a week. We go to gym for exercises dash maybe 3 days a week. He sometimes. Which adverb we have to write here? Sometimes. He goes to gym sometimes. 3 days a week. Not regularly. That's why sometimes. Second one, choose the right order of the verb and the adverb of frequency to make meaningful sentences. సరైన verb adverb of frequency ఆర్డర్ను గుర్తించి బ్రాకెట్లో ఉంచండి. I dash in the evening. I play usually or I usually play. Here the order of verb and adverb we have to choose here. Obviously I usually play in the evening is the right answer. That's why B is the answer. I usually play. Venu dash late for work. Venu dash late for work. Venu never goes late for work. That is the order of adverb and verb. Shyam dash early to bed. Shyam is often early to bed or Shyam often is early to bed. Shyam is often early to bed. That's why the order of verb and adverb. Here is verb, often is adverb. Children dash to play games. Children always like to play games. Children like always to play games. Children always like to play games is right answer. Always is adverb, like is verb. This is the order of adverb and verb. This is the worksheet 8.6 writing part. In the following sentences, either a full stop or a question mark is missing. Which punctuation marks are missed here? Full stop, question mark. Put the correct punctuation marks wherever necessary and rewrite the sentences in the spaces given after them. We should write again the sentences with punctuation marks which are missed in these sentences. Okay? సరైన చోట punctuation marks ఉంచి తిరిగి రాయండి. Should write proper punctuation mark to the given sentences and rewrite the sentences wherever necessary. First sentences is, are you keeping okay? Which punctuation marks we have to use here? Are you keeping okay? It is a question. Are you? The sentence starts with a helping verb. That's why it's a question. So we have to put the punctuation mark, question mark after sentence. Okay? At the end of the sentence, we have to write the punctuation mark, question mark. I think you are all right. I think you are all right. Here it's a statement. I think you are all right. So it's a statement. That's why we should write at the end of the sentence is full stop. Can I expect a reply from you soon? Can I? Again here started the sentence with helping verb. So it's also a question. So which punctuation mark have to write is question mark. Convey my regards to your parents. Convey my regards to your parents. It's a statement. That's why we should write here full stop. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's also a statement, so full stop. Here we have to write only the punctuation marks are a full stop and question mark. So wherever necessary we use question mark and full stop. Only 2 punctuation marks are used here. Do you like to join our trip to Horsley Hills? You can easily say, do you like? Here the sentence starts with helping verb. That's why you should end the sentence with question mark. If it is a statement, we should write full stop. If it is a question, we should write the punctuation mark is question mark. Again, the sentence is, have you read the biography of Pandit Nehru? Here the sentence started with have you. It's a question. So we should write the punctuation mark, question mark. Here we use it here full stop and question mark only. Okay. This is Roman number 2, 137 page. Punctuate the following paragraph by using full stops, capital letters and question marks and rewrite it in the space given below. In the previous session, in the previous exercise, we only used full stops and capital letters. Full stops and question marks. Here capital letters also we should write. Okay, wherever necessary we have to write capital letters, full stops and question marks. సరైన పంక్చుయేషన్తో పారాగ్రాఫ్ను తిరిగి రాయండి. I have written a very long letter to you, and yet there is so much I would like to tell you. How can a letter contain it? Goodbye, little one, and may you grow up into a brave soldier in India's service. This is the paragraph. We have to rewrite the sentence with the proper punctuation marks. They give first letter as capital letter, so no need to change it. I have written a very long letter to you, and yet there is so much. Full stop. After full stop we should start with capital letter. That's why I is capital letter. I would like to tell you, comma, how can a letter, it can be letter, contain it. Full stop. Goodbye, little one. Goodbye, little one, and may you grow up into a brave soldier in here India. So it's a country, so we should start with capital letter, India's service. Finally full stop. We use here capital letters, commas and full stops. This is the dictation part. Listen to the teacher carefully and write down the paragraph dictated by her or him. Dictation is here. Worksheet 8.7. Writing part. Write a letter to your friend using the following hints. Read and understand the following hints సహాయంతో లెటర్ను పూర్తి చేయండి. హెడ్డింగ్, రైట్ డేట్ అండ్ యువర్ ప్లేస్. ఇన్ ద హెడ్డింగ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ డేట్ అండ్ our place. Greeting, write something like dear. Dear, we have to add to our friends names dear. Body, write your message here. Body of the letter is body of the letter. Hints, here they gave some hints to write a letter as the body of the letter. These are the hints. My father presented birthday gift, a book, letters of Pandit Nehru to Indra, speaks, father's love, inspired a lot, suggest you read such. These are the hints to write body of the letter. Closing, after writing of body of letter we have to close with with a short expression followed by a comma. We have to close. This is closing part. Hints, let me know your opinion. Book, these are the hints for closing. Signature, address on the envelope, write the address of your friend. This is friend's address, we have to write. Heading, our town or village name have to mention here. Date, on which date you are writing, write there. Dear friend, dear friend. Then we have to start body of the letter. Firstly we have to write I'm fine here and hope same from you. As you know, I celebrated my birthday in this month. My father presented a book as my birthday gift. The book is Letters of Pandit Nehru to Indira. The book is Letters of Pandit Nehru to Indira. It inspired a lot. I suggest you to read such books. Hope you like it. With love. Signature. This is closing. This is closing part. Yours lovingly. This is signature. Here write your name. Address on the envelope. Your friend address have to be right here. Daughter of Lakshmi. Name, village name, mandal, like that we have to